everybody, we are in the living room. We're hoping for some nicer weather to do this outside, but we are doing the end of the March challenge. So to be honest with you, after I did my little stunt out at the stairs, I did get a little bit inconsistent, but we're going to go through with it anyway. And then we're going to go right into April's challenge after this. So we're going to start with our high planks. We're then going to go to our squats and finish up with our V sit and twist and just see how we did, even with a week, almost 10 days actually of only doing the challenge a couple times. Okay, and then we'll get into our circuit challenge for April. So here we go. Okay, all right, so now it is time for the January circuit challenge. Okay, this is going to be harder. This might be the last challenge we do for this year. We might do something a little bit lighter because I have to go into ultra marathon training next month. So we're going to try this circuit, do this circuit every day, 4 exercises till failure. Actually, you just keep doing it. It's 20 jumping jacks, 12 push-ups, 12 forward lunges on each side, 12 Diablo on each side. We'll slow it down, show you what that looks like. After you do all those exercises, you do it again, and you just keep going till you can't go no more. That's your cue.
So, and I want to say, stay in good health and do not let anybody judge you.
All right, here we go. 20 jumping jacks. Let's stand up and get going.
Woo!
All right, well, we are recording this once again. It cut off after my intro, so we're going to do the circuit one time. I already did it 3 times. We're going to do it again. It's 20 jumping jacks, 12 push-ups, 12 lunges on each side, and 12 Diablos to each
Which
side.
means we're doing this 4 times for
All right,
the
here we go. Let's
circuit.
go. Let's go before it cuts us off again. Ready? And go. All right, Diablo, into a plank. Each side, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's my 4th one. I'm done. Okay, this is April every day. Remember, modifications are in the description of the video on how to do these exercises. Challenge yourself every week. Don't do it, cat. Don't knock that over. All right, I'm done.